Adverb clauses provide information about other parts of the sentence. They explain why, when, and under which conditions something happens. These examples might help you understand how adverb clauses are used. Why? I quit my job because I didn't like the company. When? Apples are picked after they ripen. Condition. He keeps eating eggs every day even though he knows they're high in cholesterol. Condition. I will help you if I have time. Adverb clauses form complex sentences, so you can also reverse the order of the clause, just use a comma. If I have time, I will help you. After they ripen, apples are picked. Here are some examples of sentences that use adverb clauses. 1. She works for a florist because she loves flowers. 2. He usually washes his car if it gets dirty. 1. When I get my end-of-the-year bonus, I will buy a new car. Or, I will buy a new car when I get my end-of-the-year bonus. 2. Because John got a flat tire, he was late for work. Or, John was late for work because he got a flat tire. 3. Even though it was cloudy, Maria and Julia went to the beach. Or, Maria and Julia went to the beach even though it was cloudy. 4. While Elizabeth was writing a note to her friend, the train arrived. Or, the train arrived while Elizabeth was writing a note to her friend. 5. If there is a sale, I will buy 2 pairs of shoes instead of 1. Or, I will buy 2 pairs of shoes instead of 1 if there is a sale. 6. Now that the overpass has been repaired, Robert can take his normal route to work again. Or, Robert can take his normal route to work again now that the overpass has been repaired. 7. Until the machine is repaired, we won't be able to get soda. Or, we won't be able to get soda until the machine is repaired. 8. Whenever I forget my umbrella, it rains. Or, it rains whenever I forget my umbrella. 9. Unless Hannah gets here soon, the meeting will be cancelled. Or, the meeting will be cancelled unless Hannah gets here soon. 10. By the time Tina finished practicing her scales, her sister had finished making dinner. Or, Tina's sister had finished making dinner by the time Tina finished practicing her scales.